Hello there, YouTubers, and welcome to another video. This video is going to be about the UV-5R. Now, I'm sure many of you guys have owned a Baofeng UV-5R. You see that the metal ring. I don't know if you people know it. Anybody knows about this or not. I don't even know what you want to call it, a hack. But let's just get into it. So this knob here, you can actually pull it up. And this actually fits that little nut. So this is just to show you of me just getting it all loosey-goosey. That you can actually use that knob to tighten it. You can actually use the knob. Fits in up perfect. So if you keep, unscrewing and tightening up your antennas, make sure that nut's nice and tight. That's pretty much what I want to just share with you guys, is that little hack, if you will. All you gotta do is just match that little indentation with the knob indentation. This thing's terrible. Can't really show it on the camera. But just getting the little indentation and just having it where it fits. The knob, the on and off switch, the knob. There it is. Just gotta have the indentation, that's all. The other thing that I want to show, we'll go over with you guys, is that this Baofeng, I have business frequencies. It's too close to this radio, so it's making this radio. But anyway, I have business frequencies. So we can turn on the backlight. I have business frequencies in the radio, and here's the little Kenwood. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. On the same frequency. Versa. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Now, unfortunately, well, first off, I have this radio to run off of, 56 business frequencies. Unfortunately, some of them I had to delete because it was picking up interference and such. So I have in here that doesn't cause any interference, but I just have, certain UHF business frequencies.
3, 4, 5, 7, 9, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 4.
So just use it as a, scanner to
Lock.
Oh, I didn't want to lock.
Unlock.
I want to scan.
Scanning begin.
So you can scan, UHF business frequencies. So if you're in the area, of local businesses that may be operating on, certain UHF business frequencies, I just like eavesdropping here. It's being said and stuff at the local stores. But anyway, it's the end of the video. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. Thank you.